Baja update. Look at that. Still need to tweak the rear torsions a little bit, but we took 2 of the front tires off of the 60 chassis. Went ahead and put it on the front, and that looks pretty good, nice and mean. Turning radius is pretty decent, doesn't grab too hard. We got all electrical done, all brakes done. We just need to eventually reset the torsions in the rear a little bit. We got the e-brake going. All the wiring is done. We got the oil pressure gauge hooked up. All that's good. Did the tune-up, did the 3031 carb. We went ahead and converted this to the doghouse fan as well, just to help out the cooling some. So, what's left? Well, not much really. I want to replace the seats. Those are, they're comfortable, but I can't find covers for them that aren't $150 to $200 a pop. We're not doing that. So we may just put some Mini Cooper seats in there or something. Not really sure. Man, we got everything situated. Yeah, you can't beat that at all. It's running great. Running great. Of course, we recap. We've got alternator here on this side. We got oil pressure over there. We've got turn signals. Turn the headlight switch on, the backlighting of the dash gauges light up. USBs, got the GPS hooked up and working, kinda. Had to kind of do something a little ghetto for windshield wipers, but hey, it works. It works. So there we go, guys. One last thing to do that's big is we need to go ahead and get the tag on it. I was able to find that, just in case anybody wants to know, that is a odometer ultralight gauge. And then if you look up front, that is actually a VDO sender that somebody gave me. So I was actually able to use that, wire it in, and the fuel gauge works. Got it calibrated. How I calibrate it is you've got the little metal rod, right? You bend it. So I put 2 1/4 or 2.5 gallons in the tank, which would be quarter tank. Bent the rod, the fuel sender, right? You bend that just a little bit until it reads just a smidge under quarter tank. And there you go, that's how you calibrate it. I think we're good to go, guys. Can't wait for the official first test drive. Don't worry, I'll take you guys with us. I appreciate you. Have a great day. Be kind to one another and be good.